Hi, it's Ben from GC Splash and Shine. I just want to quickly show you here. We come up to some cars and nothing too major, but we've got a little bit of oxidization, and as you can see, we've got all these paint transfers. So what we've done first, we've clay barred and decontaminated the exterior, and now we're up to the polishing stage. So as little as just spread your polish around. What we want to do is give it an even spread. So just put it down to number 1 and just give it a spread. We've got that spread out. We want to speed it up a little bit, so we'll put it up to about 3, and we're just going to do a little pass to start with. This is where we get into seriously polishing, so we're going to step it up to about 4 or 5, and this is where we do the polishing. We add a little bit of pressure, not too much. And then what we're going to do, and now we're going to finish off, we're going to bring it back down to about 2.5 and give it one last little pass. This removes the swirl mark. Okay, so we're up to the last step now, which is buffing off, then we can add a wax. So if you come a bit closer, you can see where the marks were. And now, if I move out your way, just if you look from this angle over here and go up here, you can see the shine when I remove it. And you've got perfection. As you can see, it's not oxidized, it's not faded, and it's all those marks are out. Okay, that's it. It's Ben from GC Splash and Shine. If you're on the Gold Coast, give me a call on 0478 180 259. Thank you.